Working with light is something very complex because you are working with something very ephemeral and intangible.
Through lighting, you can create new scenarios during the night. You can create things that don't exist during daytime. You can reveal new details that are concealed normally, and this is the most interesting aspect of all.
Together with Flos, we challenged a group of students of Domus Academy to design a new device.
The students were asked to design a lantern in an external context, taking into consideration many sustainable aspects.
Well, there's an urgent need for outdoor sustainable lighting, and we thought that it was a good chance to get in touch with the new generation of designers and get to understand their ideas.
The title of the brief is Dark Was the Night and explicitly refers to the disappearance of the darkness after the total spread of artificial light at night all over the globe.
One of the keywords that Flos had given us was to go against light pollution.
It was an exterior portable lamp, but they wanted it to be very eco-friendly and very environmental friendly too.
The students have been so well set to understand this and discover a little bit more in order to develop their own creation.
Talking with the professor and Francesco from Flos, understanding what they would like, the technical side.
It gave us a scope to explore even further.
If you're designing for the outdoor, you have to use some specific colors, or you have to use some volumes of the light, and I didn't know that.
The form itself and the light, how a clear frame and a translucent frame helps the light diffuse in a particular angle, how much it covers the area. Those details mattered to me in this kind of a project.
All students were very prepared, very passionate, and very professional in presenting their concepts and ideas. They've been working a lot on user interaction of object, the scale, material, the functionality.
Not only just an aesthetic viewpoint, but also from the quality of light, different user scenarios, reflections, shadows, color temperature. So it has been excellent.